What's up, guys? It's Matt from Cornelius Creations. Don't ask. Welcome back. Today I have a wood carving tool that if you haven't heard about it, you probably need to know about it and start using it. Seriously, I learned about it a month ago and it has helped me tremendously. Now, if you haven't subscribed and hit the bell notification yet, you probably need to do so you guys will be subscribed to the channel and be notified for every upload I make. So what is the tool? The tool is called a riffler or a riffler set. What in the world is a riffler? Now, at first sight, they look like mini files, but they differ in a lot of ways, and I'm gonna show you how to use these things. Now, a big thank you to one of my subscribers. I cannot remember your name, sir, forgive me, but you told me about these, and they've really changed my work. They have taken the time it takes to sand down a lot, and they really help with your finishing work. Okay, the first thing you probably notice is how they have like a little curve in there to all of them. Well, this is super helpful, and let me show you how these things are used. Now, I promise you, if you use these in conjunction with sandpaper, like this right here, you are going to get some fantastic results. Now, we're gonna take the small flat riffler right here. Now, this looks a lot like a file, but like I said, it has a recurve in there, and you can just go in there like that. And it makes it so easy. If I had a flat file, that would be really hard because I'd be hitting all the corners right here trying to go straight. And if I were to take a piece of sandpaper and get in there, I could get parts of it, but it's not gonna be the same. These come in different styles and shapes, and you obviously just use the one that works best for you. If you guys do not have a file cleaner, these get in between the striations and the pores of the file or the rifflers and really cleans them up. So another one of my favorite rifflers, I have so much fun saying that word, is the round ones right here. They kind of just curve and go to a point. I can just go right here and get in the crevices, and look how well that works. Now guys, if you're using sandpaper to do this, you're gonna be dulling everything. These little babies right here, I can just get in the corners, the nooks and crannies, and make perfect lines. I'll just get in there like that. Look at that. Making a perfect little indentation right there with this thing. And if you guys are just using burrs for your wood carving, there are places that these rifflers will get that sandpaper and burrs won't. So what I'm trying to tell you guys, use what you have available to you to make it look the best you can. When using these correctly, you can get a lot of great results. I have been using these non-stop since I got them, and I really enjoy them. If you want to get a pair of these, I have put some Amazon links down below. Now, if you use one of my links, they are affiliate links, which means you support my content I have. They give me a small percentage kickback at no extra cost to you, and that would be definitely appreciated on my end. So anyway, guys, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you're working on. I'll love to talk to you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I will see you on the next one.